In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on ThinkorSwim Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to find the asset you want to trade. So you want to go to the top right, tap on the search button, and look for the asset. So for this video, we're going to go with Tesla, but of course you can do whatever you want. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to do this inside the app. Now, tap on the asset you want to trade, and then either at the bottom, right now, currently I'm on my paper trading demo account, but of course in the real account, you'll be able to see this as well. You could go at the bottom where it says trade, or you could tap at the top right where you can see sell and buy. It's up to you. I'm just gonna go and buy up top right, and it's gonna open up the order window. In here you can see your order, what you're doing, and then you can see kind of the buy and sell button here on the left. As you can see, I'm changing between buy and sell. This is where you can change if you want to trade at buying or selling. So of course, if you want to trade, you'll have to buy and then eventually sell, or vice versa. So this is where you basically set this. Then you have the order type. You have market, which will buy or sell at the current market price. Then you have limit order, which will basically allow you to buy or sell at a fixed price you can set. And then you have like a bunch of different more advanced orders you can set as well. I'm gonna go with market right now, but if you go with limit, you can then select the limit where you want it to be, like for example over here, and that's when I'm buying. Okay, of course I'm gonna go with market right now, and then you also can select day, so it could be time in force, it could be day, it can be GTC, EXT, or any of the other ones as well, up to you, whichever one you select. Now whenever you select the amount of either shares here, or percent of position, or dollar amount, you can then see the cost of your trade, and then you can also see the account you're currently doing this on. Okay, so for example, you can also tap on the show more down there at the bottom, and you can read basically about your order description, and if you are ready, you can just press on review at the bottom right, and then from here you can review your order, and if it looks good for you, you can just tap on trade at the bottom right, and your trade or your buy or sell order are going to get fulfilled just like this. At the bottom of the screen you can see it says filled. Now right now I've bought, of course, so if I then want to sell eventually, I could go to sell as well and just sell the exact amount, and that's essentially how you trade. Now you could also go to the top left where you can see like those three lines, tap on them and go into positions. And now inside positions, you can see I have a Tesla position over here. I can tap on a check mark next to it and I can just close this current position. And this will allow me to basically sell the exact amount I bought, either as a limit order or as a market order or any that you want to do. Then you can just again review, and then you can just tap on bottom right to trade. And just like this, you've successfully traded on ThinkorSwim mobile app. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out.